Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do this. And let's go. Delete the default cube and add a cylinder. Scale it a bit and go to the side view. Go into edit mode and do a loop cut. Scale it top down, press I and scale. Extrude it and scale with I again and extrude again. Go back into the side view and do another loop cut. Scale again and scale with I. Extrude inwards and scale it as small as possible. Go to edit and make it smooth. To do a loop cut on every single of these lines. Can be tricky, but it's now done. Put it on the top of the can and align it. Select the top of the can and scale it with I. Now align the points with the picture. Select the middle, extrude it down a bit. Extrude with I again, and align it with the bottom part here. Select it, and extrude it down a bit. Do another one to the line, extrude it up a bit. Now create a circle, move it up, down, align it. Fill it, and align all the points. Scale with I again, and align the top part with the face, and delete it. Match the other faces, scale with I, and align. Face and delete it. Move it into position. Give the canvas, give it to materials, and make the second one gray and metallic. Align into both, and give the other one a texture. And you're done. And as always, all the textures can be found in my Discord. Link is in the description. If you like that, hit the wonderful sub button. If you have questions, put them down in the comments.